For anyone that doesn't use both the desktop version of CompanyCam and the mobile, I have my desktop here on the right and then my mobile over here on the left. So one thing I want to note as we're getting started is that with the labels and tags, the admin, that may be one person in your company, that may be multiple people, but the admin is going to need to create any of these labels and tags before you guys have access to them. So a few different ways I want to show you guys as we are on the labels and how people are just utilizing those well is I'm going to jump in here. Right now, I'm showing the label 2021 Windows. So we have a guy in particular that I've spoken to that does it this way. So say that you do siding in Windows, you've went out to their home and they agree that they want you to do the siding today, but they're saying, hey, we're not going to get our windows done until next year. So what you can do is just simply add this label as I did. So 2021 Windows, I just checked that and then hit save. And that's what you're seeing right there. Another way that people are utilizing it well, so I'm going to get rid of this 2021 Windows, is to show the different stages of a project. So I've created a few here. Let's see, I'm going to look for lead first. So say that your guys are out selling the project, you want to just put this in lead status, do so. And then next, you've sold the project, and so now you can select in progress. And then once you're done, complete. So obviously you guys aren't going to be using all three of these at once, but I just want to show you that you do have the ability to put more than one label on a project. So now that I have these labels on this project, I'm going to go out to the projects tab here because I want to just show you guys how these labels then are going to be helpful. So as I'm scrolling down, you're seeing that we see every single project we have in our company. Well, if we go up here to filter, I'm going to filter on in progress. So I will check this in progress one here, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that filter. So now that's only going to show us the project. So you see we just have this one project here that has that in progress label on it. So that is how you're going to see it on the desktop version of CompanyCam. Next, I'm going to jump over to the mobile. I am going to get out of this project I have. So we can, as anyone knows that uses the mobile version, I have my feed or my company feed. So to filter and to find the labels on the mobile, I'm simply going to go into that company feed. And for labels specifically, I'm going to jump into projects. So once those projects load through, again, you're seeing the same thing as we did on the desktop, every single project there. All I need to do is click on the circle button down here with the lines. And then that's going to show me my labels. So I can click there. And then I'm simply just going to select any labels I want to add to this project, hit save on that, wait for that to load here for just a second. And then we just see this one project I have that has that 2021 Windows label on it. So make sure if you're seeing down at the bottom, you're not seeing all your projects and you see a number here, all you need to do is go back into that and then you can get rid of that filter, hit save again, and then that's where you'll see all your projects again. So that is going to be how the labels work. As I said, continue to ask any questions to Shane that you have on those. The next thing we're going to talk through is tags. So many of you guys ask for folders, and our tags are what we consider folders. So the advantages of a tag over a folder is that it's just going to let you put your photos in multiple baskets, where a folder is only going to let you place that photo in one place. So with that being said, some of the benefits to tagging is going to be categorizing photos in multiple folders, and then just the ease of use and being able to find multiple photos. So I am going to start on the mobile this time with those. I'm going to jump into a project right here because I want to show for the guys in the field, you guys have a few options for tagging. So you can either click the tag before you start taking any photos. You will find that up in the top right corner. So I'm going to click on that tag, and I'm just going to add a demo tag right here. Select it and then hit save. And I'm going to snap just a couple photos in my home office / playroom here. So you can see now with those photos, they're showing up in this bottom corner. So I'm going to click on that. And then if we click on any of our photos here, you're going to see that there's a tag associated to them. So I click in there, I see that demo tag. I'm going to exit that, hit save, and then I hit done. So as soon as those photos come through into my project over here, so you can see them all right there, that demo tag is already added. Now, the other option would be to add the tag after the fact. So I'm going to take a photo. I'm going to click on the one down in the bottom here, and then that tag sits right here. So I'll click that, and now I'm just going to add the demo tag to this one photo. So either way, you have the ability to add that tag. It's, again, as simple as that. And so if you're out in the field and that's how your company's decided they want you to add tags, feel free to do it either of those ways. But the nice thing for anyone in the office that wants a little more control there is that you're able to add that demo tag from the office, or say that your guys added the wrong tag in the office, you simply can just go in here. You can get rid of that one and add in a new tag. So I'm just going to add test here, select that, and then save that tag. So it's really simple for you to be able to add either multiple tags or to switch out tags at any point as well. So I am in this project again now on the desktop. I want to show you that you on the desktop have the option to check one photo, go up here to actions, select tag, and then you can add a tag that way. So I'm going to tag that one. Or I can take an entire day's worth of photos. So I'm going to check all the photos I've taken today. Same thing, go up to actions, hit tag, and then I'm going to tag all these photos with 24. So you can see I have permissions. This is a new tag, so I'm going to create that new tag. And now everybody in your company can use this tag. So I'm going to go ahead and tag all those photos. Now, when it comes to filtering on the tags, again, you're seeing every single photo within this project right now, but I only want to see a subset of photos. So I'm just going to simply filter on countertops within this project. I'm going to apply that filter. And now that narrowed it down from my 26 photos that I had to just 3 photos right here. Now, I know that there's a photo within this set of 3 that I need to do further work on. So I'm actually going to apply a second tag, and that one's going to be needs finished. So I apply that one as well. You can see we're still seeing all of our photos, but if I get rid of that countertops one, now I'm just seeing this one photo where I need to go back and finish that. And you can see, everything's attached right here. It shows the project name and address, so I know exactly where I need to go back to. So I will get out of that tag as well. So as you can see, there is not a lot of complexity to the labels or tags. They're quick to add whether you're out in the field or you're in the office. And best thing you guys can do is just sit down together as a company or admins, and you're going to be able to decide what tags you kind of need, get everyone on the same page there. And that is honestly all I have for you guys today. There, again, is just not a whole lot to it.